One sunny morning, Jerry the little mouse found a big piece of cheese in the kitchen. His eyes sparkled with happiness. He quickly grabbed it and ran to his hole. But Tom the cat was already watching him from behind the door. As soon as Jerry tried to escape, Tom jumped and blocked his way. Jerry was clever. He dropped the cheese on the floor, making Tom slip and fall. While Tom was rolling on the ground, Jerry picked up the cheese again and ran as fast as he could. Tom chased Jerry all around the house, through the chairs, over the table, and even into the garden. Each time Tom got close, Jerry tricked him with clever moves. Finally, Jerry hid inside a flower pot, and Tom ran past him without noticing. Jerry laughed softly, enjoying his cheese, while Tom sat outside tired and angry. And as always, the clever mouse won again.